Hello everyone, welcome to watch SOYAL video. Today our topic is about instruction and notice of installing UHF Reader. This picture we could see is SOYAL UHF Reader. We call it AR-661UG version 2. SOYAL provides customized service. We could help our clients to adjust the frequency according to the rules of different countries. Of course, this product is made in Taiwan. This page let us introduce our UHF Reader, main spec and feature. First, its frequency can be adjustable between 830 MHz to 930 MHz, comply with ISO. Reading tag range is around 4 meter to 8 meter. Built-in interface vegan and RS-485. Support H3 chips tags. Tag format standard format is vegan 34 bits. Optional RS-485. Waterproof label is IP65. So our UHF reader can be used for outdoor. Certificate with NCC, FCC, CE. UHF Reader could be used for different applications. The prime application is for car parking management. Today we mainly introduce how to use SOYAL UHF Reader for car parking management. Before learning how to install UHF Reader, first let us see how to configure a car parking system. As for hardware, we need UHF tag or car, UHF reader, access controller, and also other barrier control equipment. As for software, we provide SOYAL access control software, 701 server, 701 client, and other integrated software by clients. This page with product picture is more clear for us to understand the car parking system structure. Label attached to car. If the car is coming to press induction loop, loop controller will send output signal to active reader. Reader through antenna to transmit electromagnetic wave to transfer data with label. Reader will send the UHF car number to access controller with vegan interface. If valid car number, access controller will control barrier to open. Access controller could be connected to PC server to register UHF car number and manage access control information. We have also UHF scanner to register UHF car number. With appropriate and correct installation, the reading tag range could be achieved 4 meter and even 8 meter. However, if the position and method of installing UHF reader is not correct, the reader possibly detects tags in very short distance and even could not detect any tags. Hereby, if you are new and not very familiar with the UHF system, today's class is very important. We would like to introduce UHF Reader installation and notice through 4 factors. Firstly, the varying notice between UHF Reader and the controller barrier equipment. Second, position and orientation of installing UHF Reader. Third, position and notice of attached UHF tag. Last, optimization UHF Reader by our tools. When you get a UHF Reader, firstly, we suggest you to carefully read its user manual and know each cable meaning. There are total 8 cables. We could see the black jacket is for power supplies, and other 6 pieces function cable is fixed in a gray cable connector. For car parking management, we mainly use cable for power and for vegan data transfer. Green-white for data 1, green for data 0, and digit input, brown-white. The note is about blue-white and blue. If controller and vegan reader is connected with different power supply, we should connect blue, white, and blue to the same ground with controller. We are going to connect UHF Reader with SOYAL controller. If you only need to install one unit of UHF Reader, you could choose SOYAL H controller or E controller. If you would install 2 units of UHF Reader for entrance and exit with anti-passback function, we suggest you to choose SOYAL new multi-door controller ARDH721E version 2. 721E version 2 is building 2 vegan port interface. We could connect 2 UHF Reader to each vegan port of controller. Notice is that in UHF Reader, green-white is for vegan data 1, gray cable is for vegan data 0. Could not convert these 2 cables. There are 2 highly noticed for wiring. Separate power supplies. DC 12 volts, 1.5 ampere for controller and UHF Reader. We suggest you to use separate power for each controller and each UHF Reader. If you would use a same power supply for controller and 2 UHF Reader, please make sure to the power supply's electron current is not less than 5 ampere. The recommended vegan distance between controller and each reader is less than 10 meters. We suggest you to add vegan repeater or connect UHF Reader to RS-45 H series controller for far distance. In parking system, this brown-white cable in UHF Reader DI digit input is usually connected with induction loop detector to detect the coming car and then active UHF Reader to work. If you don't use this cable, please connect it to blue cable and blue-white cable to same ground. Otherwise, if you leave DI cable open, UHF Reader will be disabled to detect any text. After wiring, we will introduce how to install UHF Reader with the correct position inside. We could see UHF Reader picture. Its antenna source was laid out in the front of reader and has a LED indicator on the reader. After power on, LED will light green. If any tag reading, LED will flash red. In order to read with good detecting tag range, the correct position is we must place UHF Reader to make LED downward. Could not make LED upward. About installation environment, we need to notice installing UHF Reader far away from metallic substance. No motor, no air-conditioned outdoor unit, no daylight lamp, no power transformer nearby. There are listed the suggested shortest interval distance between UHF Reader and those equipment. Because all those equipment will influence UHF Reader with low working effective. Anyway, try to make the installation environment is clean. Don't have metallic substance surroundings so as to affect the electromagnetic field. About installation height and angle. As this picture, we suggest the height is around 1.8 to 2.2 meter, and angle we suggest is 15 to 20 degrees. Of course, the height and angle is revised according to the environment, and site. The reed should be ranked at height, which gives it a wide range that encompasses the whole vehicle to detect the signal more efficiently. UHF read height could be lower than the location of attached UHF tag. UHF read should be installed in front of battery, could not be installed in behind of battery. We could see these two pictures, both for single UHF reader installation and two-set UHF reader installation. The read should be installed in front of battery with a car interval distance at least. From this page, we will introduce the notice how to attach UHF tag. First, the best orientation. UHF read should face directly to the tag. Second, fuse to UHF ultra-high frequency is a low-power technology. It's difficult to possess high penetration radio. So if there are any metallic or liquid material between UHF reader and tag, that will cause service signal weak. So we need to avoid metallic or liquid material or any shade between UHF reader and the tag. Third, it's inevitable. The reading range between RFID reader and tag will be short when raining day. This page we could see tag should be attached to vehicle in horizontal direction, could not attach in vertical direction. The very effective range between reader and tag is 60 meters with 13 km/h limit on speed. The reed should be installed at the same side or nearest reading range to tag to avoid poor detection. For example, if tag is attached on the right side of the car, the reader should also be installed at the right side as well. Otherwise, the metallic frame of the car might cause the block range of the signal. We could see this picture. When reed is installed at the middle top side, above the vehicle, the proper location is attached to the tag on the right of the car. The improper location is to attach in the left of the car. If reed installed at the lateral side of the vehicle, the proper location is attached tag on the same side of the car. The improper location is attached in the different side of the car. How to attach the tag firmly enough to the object and avoid interference is the prime concern of UHF system management. This page, we would introduce the recommended tag position for vehicles. First, adjust to place on front windscreen or headlight, mostly close to UHF reader. Second, when placed on the headlight, please stay away from metal body or vehicle. Third, if the car windscreen glass contains metallic line, it will affect the reading range. Please place the tag on headlight. Last, some insulation paper with metal ingredient will affect reading range. Place on headlight is advised. This page let us see the recommended tag position for motorcycles. First, recommended tag is placed in the front shield and nearest close to the UHF reader. This position. If without the front shield, suggest to stick on plastic body or motorcycle also close to UHF Reader. SOYAL have also provided handheld UHF tag. This is our handheld UHF car picture and model name. This type card is used for visitor. Please notice, hands will affect the performance of the tag, so the handheld tag need to be sure to take note of this way. This is correct way. This picture shows misplaced way. After finish installation, we suggest to use our tools to optimize the environmental parameters for getting better reading distance. If you install more than one unit of UHF Reader inside, before you are going to optimize a UHF Reader, please make sure to power on our UHF device. We need to connect UHF Reader RS485 cable, orange-white orange cable, to USB converter, and then use our tools to do an optimization. Today's class is finished. UHF system maybe is a new system for most of customers. If you are going to install UHF Reader, we hope you can take some time to learn this radio. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. See you.